GBPUSD is back at the crime scene. So the price slipped and almost touched this breakout point at 134.39. How can we trade on the back of this? Because we can always trade on the breakout and then we can trade the retest. If we zoom in here and if we look at something like the 30-minute chart, can actually see how we slipped, and then here at 5:30 a.m. UTC the market bottomed out. So normally when I look at something like this, of course maybe ideal is we actually go all the way down, but we can't be too picky, because if we wait for too strong retracements, then we would usually lose out. So the best idea here is literally do something like that. And then the general idea here is that it is allowed to dip, but it's not allowed to dip too much back into this level here. This is on its own is sort of like a bit of a rectangle. So then we could have argued, okay, we want maybe doing something like this. Can go down on the 4 hour, and you can even see it even better. Okay, you can really see how this is the well-defined level. I don't like to put stop loss exactly at this level, maybe slightly lower like that. So we're risking 105 pip, and if we recuperate now over the next couple of days, then the risk reward ratio is going to be really good. So, for example, if we go to 138, that's a 3.3 times risk reward ratio. And if we go to some of these resistance level here, like 142, that's a 7.5. And then if we go all the way up here, it's 12.5. We can also look at things like at EURUSD. If we look at EURUSD, can actually provide a bit of insight to if it's time to buy or not, because these are highly correlated markets. So if you flip to something like a 4 hour, we can really see how important this level is at 112.65. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 touch points there. So really this whole area here separates this here. Either we're above it and we can bounce, or we are going to sort of break down and go even lower. So here one could use the fact that we're relatively close to these levels to again further strengthen the idea that this is probably the low, and then just be bullish from here.